Hi everyone, I hope everybody's doing well. I am Amina, I am a beginner life coach, and I'm here to respond to some of your questions if you have, or to make videos on suggestions that you have. So, usually I have my own ideas, and because I think the subject is interesting, I make videos on that. But if you want me, if you have specific questions, suggestions, just leave everything in the comment sections and I will do my best to help you with those. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and like the video if you find it helpful, and share it with other people. So today I want to talk about making excuses or making a way. Since I was a little girl, I've always liked to sing, but I didn't have a formal training. I didn't learn how to play any instrument, so that was my excuses. My excuses to say that I would never sing, I would never be a singer. So I tried many times to shut down that idea, but every time my heart kind of called me and say, hey, you cannot leave it behind, we are here, we need you to express us, if I can say that. So at some point I just said, if that idea keeps coming back and the passion is still here, I need to do something about it. I don't need to be Rihanna or to be known all over the planet. That would be great, because that would be amazing to sing in front of many people and to work with amazing musicians and with professionals who know what they're doing. And yeah, that's a dream. And to sing live, it's one of my favorites. And but I was like, okay, so you can do it on a small scale, and at least practice singing and making songs, even if it's not the greatest, even if you don't have the best instruments, or you don't have the best team, you don't have the best whatever, just do it. And when I started to do that, the yearning of you need to make music kind of calmed down, because now it was part of my life. So even on my schedule, I have specific time when I'm doing music, and I don't really have any expectations on where this is gonna go. I just listen to the yearning and see. That's it. And I feel more at peace, because now I am practicing this. I am making music, even if I didn't have a formal training, even if I don't have a record deal, even if I don't have an agent, whatever, blah, blah, blah. So the point is just to make music and to express music through me. So before I was making excuses, but now I have made a way. So in your situation, whatever you want to do, so I don't know, you want to lose weight, you want to find a job, you want to make more money. Are you making excuses, or are you making a way? Are you trying something? Even if it doesn't work, or even if it works at a small scale, are you even trying? Because I'm not here to blame anybody. I have been there and I'm still there for other goals that I have in my life, let's say other ideas, other things that I would like to do. And it's really easy to just accept that, oh, it's going to be complicated, I don't want to work too hard on that because I'm not sure of the outcome. But at some point you need to ask yourself, okay, what will happen What will happen if I don't do it? Do you want to wake up at 65 and regret not even trying? Do you want, unless you are at peace with yourself, like right now, if you ask yourself, how will I feel in 10 years if I don't do it? So in 10 years, if I wake up and I realize that I had that yearning for music, or I had that yearning for becoming a writer or a dancer or an entrepreneur, how would I feel? How would I feel if I wake up and I realize that I didn't do it? So that's the questions and the question. So how do you feel when you ask that question to yourself? Once you do it, you're gonna have the answer, and at some point you're gonna know if you need to pursue this thing, so find a way to make it happen, or just give it up, or continue to find excuses, and it's not a big deal, because even if you don't make it happen, it's fine. You don't really need it. It can be discouraging at sometimes, but that's when you have expectations. For example, me with my music, I have a YouTube channel where I make videos of the songs that I like and all kinds of stuff. So if you want, you can check it. I will put it in the description below. So if you have too much expectations, that's when the problem comes. It's important to have the goal and to do what you need to do to reach that goal, but depending on what you're looking for, you also need to be more appreciative of the results you can have. And Les Brown talked about the bamboo tree. So it's a concept that for the first 4 years, a guy is giving water to the bamboo that is on the ground, and for 4 years it doesn't grow. But on the fifth year, all of a sudden it becomes this giant thing, this giant tree. But that wouldn't have happened if during those 4 years where nothing happened, the guy hadn't gave some watered the plant. So be patient with your results. It's good to have goals. It's good to have strategies to get to that goals, but also be realistic with the time frame, because if you want to go too fast and you don't assess what really needs to happen, how you're supposed to do that, you're gonna get disappointed and give up, while in the meantime you were actually doing great. It was just you just didn't know you had the right time, you were on the right time frame. So yes, be patient with yourself, and if you have something that is in your heart and that doesn't leave you, at some point find a way to do that thing, even if it seems impossible. And you're gonna find more peace in your life. See if it's that important for you. Put it on your schedule and do it regularly, even if it's one small thing at a time. At least you're doing it. At least your heart knows that, oh, he or she is working toward that thing. We don't know when it's gonna happen, but at least he or she is practicing the thing, and that's all we need. So that was it for this video. So like I said in the beginning, if you have questions, suggestions, whatever issues you have, leave in the comment section below. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share with people if you find it useful. So in the meantime, I wish you the best. We will talk soon. I see you soon. Bye.